Okay, there's a lot of concerns right now about the high pressure fuel pump, and I'm getting a lot of different people that are saying they have problems with this thing. This is the high pressure fuel pump. It's run by the timing belt, um, and it requires special tools to replace. It gets underneath the timing belt. You have to, you replace the timing belt and the water pump at the same time. And one of the things I've been finding out, and I've been trying to gather data for all you guys who are also concerned about maintaining your engine to make sure that this doesn't happen. I One of the things I'm looking at doing on mine, and one of the things that I would recommend that you might want to do on yours, is, and we're trying to get the mileage figured out. We're finding it if you're in a state that doesn't have a biofuel mix. Like California doesn't typically have a biofuel mix, and I'm going to tell you some of the other things that other guys are doing as well to maintain this, and they're not having issues. In fact, I'll just tell you this one. One of the guys says, and I don't know, I'm worried about catalytic converter with the new particulate filters and stuff from the TDI modifications, if this will cause any issue. But the guy's putting two-stroke oil in with his fuel. I think he puts about a half liter or something like that of two-stroke oil in with his tank of fuel. And I could see how that would work for lubricity for the pump. And he says he's got 600,000 miles on his original fuel pump. Never had to do anything to his fuel system. So, if you're looking for an option, that might be something. I'm not going to recommend it. I'm just saying that, that's something somebody's doing. And what I'm asking you guys to do is, in the comments below, please subscribe and put some comments in there about what you think might be a good idea to do to your car. But this is what I'm going to do to mine, is before this thing goes bad. And we're finding here in California, because they don't have a biofuel mix, is about 100,000 miles. My buddies are usually getting around 120. I've seen them go out right around there, if they're not using any biofuels, to 160,000, whereas this one here went, depending on, if it's city mileage or highway mileage. So if it's a lot of highway miles, you might be up to 160,000 miles before it goes out. If it's just all city and highway combination, the guys are saying 120. Friends of mine that have had to do it. So what I'm going to do to prevent it to go bad is I'm going to change it on the maintenance interval before it's an issue. So I'm going to replace this pump right at about 100,000 miles for me. Now, if you're in a state that has biofuel, you might want to adjust that, and that might help out to kind of offset the potential of having to replace the whole fuel system, because obviously that's a pretty big expense, and there really isn't any other option. So we have to take off all the fuel lines, everything all the way back, and replace all three pumps, and clean out your gas tank. And there's a whole bunch of little things to replace in here, like anywhere there's a magnet, it'll be, so like if there's a electric magnet somewhere, it'll be jacked up, and you'll have fuel, you'll have metal shavings everywhere. So then the pump will just go out again if you don't get all that out of there. So I'm thinking the old saying is, maintain if you don't want to have problems, right? Maintenance. So if you guys come up with any other options, anybody else has tried anything that's worked well, And let us know in the comment whether it's after you've had your emissions modification or before, because if you've had your emissions modification, you got a different particulate filter, so it's not going to really count. You know, it might be your new particulate filter might not like things like, you know, if you're going to try it. I know guys are putting motor oil in their fuel to try and do better. Anyway, a couple ideas to get it to last a little bit longer. But I'm thinking prevention, just replace it every so many miles. And you know, I kind of like the idea of the two-stroke oil. I thought that was kind of cool. Maybe not the synthetic two-stroke, but maybe the other stuff. You know, that might be something to look into. Anyway, just to let you guys know those things that are worried about this pump going out. Talk to you in the next video.